Hey guys, welcome to the next Brainbook episode. Today I'm going to be showing you the unboxing of the Synaptive Modus V, which is a digital robotic exoscope that we're going to be using in the neurosurgical operating theatre. This was kindly funded by Barts Charity. It's the first of its kind in the United Kingdom and only the second one in Europe. So, stick with it, watch the unboxing. You're not going to see something this cool for a long time. Let's get to it. Modus V is a fully automated, hands-free, robotically controlled digital microscope. It's got super advanced visualization on it that supports lots of different types of neurosurgical procedures. The whole point is that it lets the neurosurgeon operate comfortably and efficiently because the robotic arm is driven by tracked instrumentation, which means it can track the instruments that the surgeon is holding and automatically maneuver the digital microscope to the kinds of angles that a neurosurgeon needs. Later on in the video you're going to see a little bit of how that robotic arm moves. The robotic arm uses the Canadarm, which is the same technology used on the International Space Station, and it's used to unload equipment from spacecraft cargo trunks and install them on the ISS. Pretty cool, isn't it? So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you thought it was as cool as we did the first time we saw it. I'd like to say thank you again to Barts Charity for funding this extraordinary piece of kit, and stick with us for the next few weeks. I'm going to be bringing you a video of the Synaptive Modus V being used for an awake brain surgery. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.